Streets are blocked again, signs waving high, crowds screaming loud under the city sky. Some say they're marching for what's right and true, but I'm wondering who's paying the crew. Paid protesters, maybe not, but it sure feels staged, while the rest of us grind just to keep the bills paid. What the hell is going on out there? Folks losing their minds, pulling out their hair. Karen's on the corner, raging at the crowd, flipping off my Cybertruck like I'm saying it too loud. Don't they got jobs? Don't they got bills to pay? Or are we footing the tab with our taxes every day? People losing their minds, yeah, losing their minds. I'm just driving home in my stainless steel ride. Some stranger rolls by, middle finger wide. Ain't about the truck, it's about the man who made it. Elon's name got them triggered, now they hate it. Used to be electric cars were the cool green dream. Now it's politics poisoning the scene. What the hell is going on out there? Folks losing their minds, pulling out their hair, shouting in the streets while the world keeps turning. Working folks watching, feeling the burn. And don't they got mortgages, kids to feed at night? Or is outrage the new full-time fight? People losing their minds, yeah, losing their minds. I remember when disagreement stayed civil and short. A handshake or a beer could settle the court. Now it's horns blaring, words like knives in the air, over a truck, a policy, or just 'cause you're there. We're all paying taxes to keep this circus alive, while they block the roads and scream to survive. So I keep on working, head down, doing my part, building a life with an honest heart. Let them protest, let them rage, let them call me what they will. I'll drive my truck proud over every hill, 'cause at the end of the day, when the noise fades away, real life keeps calling, got bills to pay. What the hell is going on out there? People losing their minds everywhere, from Fifth Avenue marches to a finger in my face. Division's the disease, anger's taking its place. But I got my family, my work, my ride. I'll keep on rolling with pride, while the world